Hi, this is Tim. Right here we got a Kenworth T300 box truck. It's got a lift gate on it, 2,500 pounds. As you can see here, box in great shape, 2 rows of E-track. This is out of our leasing fleet, so we got maintenance records on it since brand new. As you can see here, liftgate works great. Box exterior, great shape. You'd never guess the miles that this truck has on it. Engine's clean. No oil leaks whatsoever. Tires great shape. This is all DOT ready. We do have warranties available if you do want to look at them. It's got a nice interior in it. This unit's got 411,000 on it, but you would never guess it. I've driven the truck myself. It drives great, shifts great. Take a minute to start her up. Excellent oil pressure. If you have any questions on this unit, or if you're looking for anything else, please give us a call at 816-868-0205. Again, 816-868-0205. Thanks and have a great day.